It's now we going around. We going around, yes, but if you have to skip.
Got my damn.
I'm not joking, all my guys, them know me. Since '06, I've been writing this story. Ask them know me. I know they blow trees, only knowing you.
I'm like, woo! Yes! Like, he tries his best not to stop him. Let's see if it's gonna work. Cash cooking right now.
Cash seems to be cooking.
Cash
It's not gonna be sturdy, it's gonna be flailing.
Yeah. Oh. Shit. Might have just ate, I fear. What's the direction, shorty?
Shorty's crazy.
Go, girl. It's your birthday. Go, girl. It's your birthday. This spot is so freaking cool, bro. I thought so too. Let my freaking sandals pop in. Now we gotta buy a new pair. Literally as soon as we get to the park.
Can I get like scissors to cut through?
Hey. I'm on my way to a shoot ski, but I'm not the photographer. I'm the model, y'all. I know. You know, I don't do this often, but when I do, I do. You know what I'm saying? But I'm excited. It's with Mr. Powers. Yeah, I'm dummy excited, but the weather is pissing me off because in Soho, I was cold. Got to Brooklyn, I'm baking under this jacket. But no, the fit though? Nah, y'all really gotta get into the fit though. Yeah.
She's on Pinterest. I know her. Like,
No, I know her.